hi to the cam. Say hi to the cam.
Okay, cool.
Don't start the game.
They're saying we'll be around the area, so we are.
Of course not. You're running down the slope. For us, it's an uphill task. It's not even long. It's like you can't even like come here and take it to come all the way here. The video is running. Fuck the camera.
Yeah.
Why?
Because you'll be concentrating on
No,
the camera.
it's just running. It's just gonna run. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm gonna concentrate on
So
it.
every few minutes it's gonna take a picture.
No, it's running. It's video.
Oh, it's a video.
Yeah.
Hi! Woo!
No.
Okay, so see, what do we do? These people are strategizing hardcore, man.
Yeah. So
We need a strategy.
let's do this.
Avnash! Maria, come
Why don't you
here.
guys come down here?
Okay, let's see who's gonna be where.
Yeah.
How about we take a tire and we walk?
See. I'm gonna.
Guys, how about we take a tire and we walk?
Why do you want to use a tire? No.
Because then if you
Listen, my objective, Avnash, my objective is to get beyond this tree and reach here.
No, Avnash, they are saying that you guys will probably reach there quicker.
Okay? Dude. My point is to reach here. To my left. Can you see this? My point is there. So I make the first move and come here. I will cover you. You tell me where you want to reach.
You cover me.
Yeah. As in when you go, I'm sure someone's gonna shoot you. I will know who that is and that's the way you should move.
Okay.
Yeah? Tag it in.
So you move, then he covers.
Yeah.
And then you move, and then he covers.
Yeah, so I need to know where your two initial positions are going to be.
She was getting cloudy really fast.
It's okay,
But
no,
listen,
which?
we need to make sure that at every given point, all four of us need to move a little ahead.
Yeah.
Because if somebody gets
So
shot,
I'll call out in me. That means you're going to move forward. But I want to know where you're gonna move the first
We'll
move.
move together.
No, I'm going to move here onto the left.
Yeah.
This way. Huh? Over there. So wherever.
So I have to move in the opposite direction, like from.
No,
you're going from.
I'm going to the right. So you want to move from the left.
Okay.
So you tell me where you want to first move, like which is your first vantage point. So then I'll cover you. What's that?
I think I'll try to come here. No, but this is not good.
No, there. Not there.
Maria and I cover in 1 and 2. So what you guys do is put 2, 3, 3.
You see the shade right behind you? Right behind you. I think I'll come there.
That's open. That's very open.
No. Listen. You go from there. Go there.
Okay.
Okay. Let's do that.
I need to watch the more.
And then next one, yeah. I probably try to make twice, but doesn't move twice places. But I don't know.
Okay,
if
so
it's gonna happen.
me and her can just follow you.
See,
and
Rosh is gonna come running down the slope. You know, like a hare. So
one of you.
so we have
see,
the
what I'm
initial-
trying to say is one of you guys needs to go 1, 2, 3. You know, slyly. They shouldn't even find out.
Agree.
Avnash,
Breathe out through your mouth. Then it will become cloudy.
Okay.
Okay.
Avnash, go from 1, 2, 3. That's right. Before they even know. Yeah, and just reach there. And Maria, you go from this side. I cover. You cover.
Sorry, one moment. are standing up, so you can also stand up if you want.
Ready?
Raise the flag, raise the flag.
Actually, one person needs to die, man. Fucking.
Okay, it'll be me, it'll be me. Okay?
Huh?
It'll be me this time. Fuck! Oh man. What? What happened?